Yo, it's been 5 months since having this shoulder surgery. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to be doing a 5-month update after having arthroscopic surgery on my left shoulder. Now, I had the same procedure done 10 years ago and actually did a little video series basically, following my recovery with that. So I'm doing the same thing with the left shoulder. So as of today, we're actually a couple days away from being exactly 5 months from having this done. And right now, I can say I think I'm progressing pretty good. I say I think because like 3 weeks ago, I went through this spell where I'm like, yo, I don't think I'm healing fast enough. I really felt like something wasn't right with the shoulder. I was feeling like I'm still very stiff, very sore, very weak, right? And I'm like, man, I don't know. Should I call the doc? You know what I'm saying? Is something wrong? This is what I was thinking. So I was like this close from scheduling an appointment with my doctor. But thanks to YouTube and the videos that I made 10 years ago, I actually searched this channel and I looked up, my shoulder surgery videos. And there was a video on there that said 6-month update after having shoulder surgery. And in that video, I sounded pretty much the same way I do now. Now in that video, I felt like I might have been progressing a little faster. But even in that video, on my 6-month update, I was actually talking about how I'm still feeling stiffness. I'm still sore, right? And so that kind of gave me a little relief with how I'm feeling now. Now in that video from 10 years ago, on my 6-month update, I was doing more with weights. You know what I'm saying? I was doing more with like dumbbells. I was lifting a little heavier 6 months after having that first procedure. Now, at 5 months, I just started really working out again with like the resistance bands. And I've been using actual weight plates, like 5 pounds and 10 pounds, right? And I started dumbbell pressing 15 pounds dumbbells. Where 10 years ago, at the 6-month mark, I think I was like doing like 25, 35 pound dumbbells, I believe, right? So, I mean, and I am 10 years older now, you know what I'm saying? Like my mom always tell me, the older you get, the longer it takes for you to recover. And I'm like, damn, Mom, I know. You don't got to keep reminding me of that shit. But, so I do take that into account. Yeah, I am 44 now. When I had that first surgery, I was 34. So it might make a little difference. But all in all, I do think I'm progressing pretty good. And I'm going to do another video on some of the recovery exercises that I do on a regular basis to help me, get the mobility back and get the strength back with this left shoulder. So hopefully I'm going to keep progressing. And I'll do in a month, I'll do another 6-month update, let you know how it's going, because I ain't gonna lie. I'm waiting to get back to bowling because I was just getting my flow with my bowling. Next year, I plan on getting back into jiu-jitsu, and I also plan on picking up pickleball, right? Because pickleball is so damn popular. I at least want to try it out, see if I like it, you know what I'm saying? So I really plan on being active in the next 4 to 5 months. Whether it's November, so like December, January, February, March, April. Oh shit, all right. I'm gonna give myself about 5 months to be able to get back into jiu-jitsu and at least start, messing with the pickleball thing. So, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I'll hit that. And one thing I do want to say, which I gotta keep reminding myself, is I gotta be more patient. So if you are somebody who is about to go through this procedure or thinking about having this done, the key is be patient. Because I found myself in the last 5 months being very impatient with this shit. I'm not gonna lie. even at like 2 months after the procedure, I was kind of freaking out, like, why the hell am I in so much pain still? What the hell was going on? And then once again, I look back at my old videos and I'm like, damn, 2 months, I wasn't doing shit then either at 34, right? So you got to go through this, be patient. Like 9 times out of 10, you're going to get better. You just got to go through that period of like, this sucks. And, you know, one thing that I can say is don't stop working out. Just if you got to have a procedure done, you still got your damn legs, you know what I'm saying? So do some cardio, you know, do some walk-ins, you know, stay active, you know, because you can't, you know, necessarily use your shoulders and arms. Do other stuff. Don't stop moving, you know what I'm saying, if it's possible. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm slowly just now getting back into, like I said, resistance bands and, you know, just doing light weights with my plates. I'm can't wait, hopefully, to like try to get a little muscle and shit. My wife be killing me like, oh, noodle arms and shit like that. So I can't wait to get back on, like, start taking creatine again and being able to lift, you know, more weights, heavier weights. So that's my goal. That's where I'm at right now. 5 months after having arthroscopic surgery on my left shoulder. Oh, and real quick, I forgot to even show like where I'm at with it. So right now, here's my movement. This is what I can do. So you can see here, I can do this. Now I'm feeling some pain, like some soreness, right? As I'm doing this, right? But keep in mind, shit, 2 months ago, I could only do this 2 months ago, right? At 5 months, I'm doing this, but I feel it. All right, off to the side. Look at that. Look at that shit, right? Boom. All right, you know, I can go here. Now, I feel a little pain still here, but I can still do it, right? Here, I can go out to the front. See what I'm saying? So, I got a lot of mobility back, but like I said, I just been impatient. You know what I'm saying? So, that ain't bad. 3 months ago, I could not do this at all. So, I'm getting there. So, if you got any questions about my procedure, leave them below. And I will try to answer them ASAP. All right. So until the next time, peace.